In this video, we're going to be going about adding a chat limit or a character limit to our text, as well as making it so when we do input the message, it doesn't spill like this does. It'll hopefully go to a new line. So the way we can do that is if we go to our chat message widget, change this text block out to a text box multi-line. Just going to delete that. And let's see, what was the name of the previous one? Well, it doesn't matter. It's frozen. Of course. There we go. So TV chat message. Name that TV chat message. Let's remove the alpha for the background color. And let's just see what it's like. All right. So it does break it up on a new line and it has a scroll. And if I put a space, that's still not far enough. You can see it prints it out on several lines. So that's what we want. We just got to change the font to white. I think that's the text. Yeah. Then let's see, what was the size of this text? 18 for the font size. Let's give it a try. And there we go. And if it's something that keeps going over the limit, like that, it gives us this little scroll, which is nice. So that's one thing down. Now we just need to add a limit to the text characters, well, the amount of characters. So we can go ahead and close that. Go back to our lobby chat. Inside of on text changed, what we want to do is we want to get the character count. So let's convert the text to a string, get the length, and we're going to create a new variable. Call this one max character length. It's going to be an integer. Let's give it a size default of, let's see, right, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 120, 130. I go like back here, put a space. Right, so that's roughly the characters, so that's 130. So for the default value, I'm just going to give it one of, let's do 150. Let's actually change this to a uint. All right, now that's not a thing. I'll just use a byte. Does that not have a max range or something? Anyways, use a byte. Value range will do 0 through 200. That's nice. All right, so if the length is greater than our max character, screw it, let's just convert it back to an int. Doesn't really make a difference anyways, as far as I know. So if it's greater than, what we want to do is take the text, well, the string version, do a substring, do get substring, start index is going to be 0, the ending index is going to be the max character length, and the return going to be the new text. So we need to get the input text box. We want to do set text and have what we just pretty much our substring text be the new one. All right, so I can no longer type. I can still kind of replace characters with it. And if I get rid of some of it, I can type like normal. So yeah, that is limiting the text. So that's a very crude and basic way of doing it, but it's functional. That's all we really care about at the moment. So we now have limited the text, and we set it up nicely to work both multi-lined, and if it extends for some reason they just spam, it can no longer go, past the border there. So it will no longer keep going out. So I think our chat is pretty much complete as far as I can think. If I see any issues, I'll eventually just come back with it. Or if you guys point out anything, I'll come back to it and we'll continue working on it. But for now, I'd say we're good to go. So currently I call our chat system done, but we may dive into it later down the road if something comes up. So now that that's all set, I'll see you in the next one.